Encountering an unknown underground storage tank during site redevelopment without a plan for removal can be a costly delay to any project. What do you do when your Phase 1 turns up a recognized environmental condition, or REC, for a possible orphan UST? You found a permit to install a tank, but no permit to remove. The site addresses have changed over the years. Was the UST ever actually installed? Is it still there? How do you properly clear that REC? Terracon offers a fast, non-destructive solution. Geophysical tools can be used to help screen a site to identify anomalies like orphan USTs or former UST pits. We can then target these areas with drilling and sampling and test for contamination. We can also assist with the removal of any confirmed USTs and cleanup. Contact us so we can help you on your next project.